Welcome back to Beautiful Mind. We're gonna update today for what you can expect to see for July. So let's just go take a look at that. I've made a little bit of a list here as to what we could expect to see, and these are my updates. All right, so expect that you'll be seeing really soon, or welcome, and thanks to all my viewers and subscribers. Really grateful. And if you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GAN researcher of scientific and analytical reporting, and lots of materials for educational purposes. So this month you can look out for, we're going to do our sun scale update. I have my second one from 15,000, which I said I was going to talk to you about. Anyways, my PayPal has been verified, so if you wish to purchase a square of nine, I have a link on the front of the page where you can hit PayPal, and shipping is $112, and the instrument is $450, so total $562 to send to me. And thank you. Since my PayPal has been verified, I've been so busy. This is one of the reasons why I haven't got the rest of my updates to you yet. So, but thank you. My sales has increased tenfold. I'm so grateful. Thank you. And I'm starting to streamline the process of the shipping too. I'm hooking up with PayPal's affiliated shipping partners too. So look forward to that as well. Next, we will have the Federal Open Market Committee. And as you know, they're in a head-on war right now with Bitcoin. So we're going to take a look at what they've been doing since the last update that we had. So if you want to figure out what was going on back then, go have a look. And it's probably the same things that we're going to see coming up. We're going to have a July report coming up where we're going to discuss in more detail this this July period here, where we were talking about what was going to happen with our forecast and whether or not it was going to go up to our 34 and 37 and 40 level, and we're just going to update you on that as well. So stay tuned for that one as well. And we also have here, because the square of nine has been going so well, I'm really grateful. I'm decided that I'm going to have a prize giveaway, and this is what we're going to talk about here. So we're just going to sneak Mr. Gann down. So I'm going to have 3 square nines I'm giving away to first 3 people that can tell me what 2 planets were at the same degrees on these dates, right? You're going to text your answer to this number. I'll send you a verification, and you just have to pay for shipping. That's it. $112, and you get your square 9. So we're talking about these dates right here. So go take a look at them on, your charts, and relate them to, you'll need an ephemeris. So, and this date right here, March 10th, 2 planets, right? They were both at some degrees they were revisiting. You tell me which 2 they were. First 3 wins a square of 9. That's a $450 purchase. So if you win, you're paying for the shipping. And next January, the price of the square 9 is going to go up from $450. It'll be $600. So make sure to get yours before the January 1st, because it's going to go up. And stay tuned for a seminar in the fall here after the fire season has settled down, and we'll have a seminar, and I'll probably be selling the online viewing synopsis of that whole thing as well. So that'll be be a substantially cheaper, but you'll need to most likely get a square of 9 and or just follow along. Okay, that was our update for today. Peace and love to everybody. Get ready for our scales update. And if you want to buy a square 9, hit my link. It's $562. Stay tuned for the FOMC and our July update. And if you're smart enough to not be lazy, like I know a lot of you guys are real savages out there, 3 of you will be definitely walking away with a grand prize here. So look forward to that. Text your answers, this number right here, and I'll get back to you. Right on. Have a great day. Peace and love. Talk to you soon.